Oh, these are potatoes in here.
Day after Thanksgiving. It's a madhouse in this bitch. So Brandon skipped out on Thanksgiving, went to work, and did a good deed, and got a $50 tip.
Don't do it. Don't run up on me like that.
Currently trying to get the dressing so we can stuff our faces.
I thought you were going to break my back.
I took a picture this morning in the mirror, and I look anorexic.
Yeah, you should work on that.
Brandon handed me this. He said, here you go. That's yours. And I laughed. He said,
I'm serious.
you think I'm kidding? The fuck? I don't want this.
That's what Shrek eats.
I don't want that. This is what I'm working with because I only like
Chicken
dressing
wing.
and turkey.
Sorry, turkey wing.
There's nothing else I like.
I gave you that amazing leg.
And
And
then-
you choose this fucking thing?
Funyuns and hot Cheetos.
That's a bad decision.
That does look pretty disgusting.
That's depressing.
And I eat it cold, so. Go get me meat. I chose all fat and really shouldn't have chose the wing, so he brings me this once again. I don't want this. Funyuns don't taste like onions. I'm waiting for you to burp.
He wants to fight either Masvidal or Diaz, and then he wants to fight Khabib, but that doesn't really make sense.
We used to have some pinstripe blue and white.
That's some pimp ass shit, bro.
Yep.
Pinstripe overalls.
I don't think so, pal. I don't think so.
So many carbs. It's delicious. It's so good.
You're weird. How do you feel today?
Stuffy.
The fan said stay away because you're sick. Stay away from me.
How do I look on the camera?
Like, asshole.
Yeah, my eyes are watering.
Mom, at what age did you look your best in your opinion?
Right now.
Right now?
Right now.
What's wrong with being confident? My arthritis kicked in and I couldn't grip it anymore.
Oh my god. I gotta blow my nose. You want to get the nose blow on camera?
Hell yeah.
Alright.
This fell on the floor. I'm still gonna eat it. It has a little bit of
Are
cat
they
shit
into
on
that
it.
kind of stuff?
I don't know. I'm out. Ew.
That's delicious.
What are you eating? The day after Thanksgiving, she went and got pizza. Lou! What? Merry Christmas. Rocking around the Christmas tree. Whoa! Day after Thanksgiving. Just hit booty day.
What you doing, clowning? I was throwing you a fucking dingle ball and a clowning.
You pissed yourself!
God dog it.
What happened?
What do you want me to do, Rico?
Oh my god.
Get the broom or what?
We're making festivities until, Hey, I'm glad you told me to vlog this. Poor Lou.
Where's your broom? My fucking nuts are wet. Fuck!
Good thing you live 10 feet
My
away.
whole beard. I'm down to there now. Fuck!
Ah! He peed
I
his
threw Rico a
pants.
dingle ball and I spilt my beer right in my dick. And it went all over the floor.
And it's dick. You just had to say dick instead of crotch.
Sounds better.
More accurate. And I am sorry. I didn't mean to do it.
Everybody makes a mistake.
I've seen
Everybody
Rico
makes
dump a beer
mistakes.
before. Hell, I've seen you dump a couple beers. So, I mean,
Really?
yeah,
No.
it's been a while, but yeah, I have. I guarantee.
Todd's
I have.
still working on the festivities.
Alright.
So fat and fun to pet, but she's
She
fat.
is so funny.
That's teenage Todd right there. The one Barbie fell for. That's about 40. And then that's about 80. That's where you're at right now.
And then Chloe like over her head because I talked to her. She moved and she goes,
Bill Clinton.
Young Todd.
she growled.
Look at Brittany.
I'm not weird.
This is 23-year-old.
Nope, me neither until she came and.
I have no
I
chance.
think she was here like maybe 3.
No shit. Yeah. Really? How much? Inch? 5/8? 3/8?
About a damn inch.
Really?
Hang on. Yeah.
Really?
Y'all got to
Baby.
Y'all both got to go barefoot.
My friend. The baby is my friend.
I mean, the boat
I'm
was
taller.
all the way to one side.
I'm a big bitch.
Life would drop, that life would have dropped.
That was way brighter.
Yeah, it's way brighter.
No, it's way brighter.
Jumped 100 miles and ran away. She finally came back and said,
You keep saying
Spot on!
danger. No, and
I need some of that.
What'd you do?
Okay?
I just ate some stuffing.
A fall in the shower.
Sorry, Mom, but that movie.
It's
It's
just
good.
so passive aggressive, you know.
Where's
like,
this?
Brandon, don't put me on blast, bro.
Your face is
They know me as the homely looking kid.
Incident, and now you're. Yes.
My whole fucking life. Just realized this was good vlog footage. I just missed the whole scene.
Yeah,
That's
I know.
my
I was
dad.
like,
That's my dog. Hey, that's my friend.
I got the shit out, made a plate, put the shit up. The shit's still out on the goddamn counter.
He never put it up.
you always like crying your vine.
Motherfucker, pick up after yourself after you do the shit.
They've been together for 30 years.
Because you didn't put the bullshit away and the kids made a
Don't end up like your parents, Brandon.
Now, go put it up and clean up the kitchen.
Shut the hell up.
First one.
We're getting something here. I mean, I'm already trying to.
Don't say that. I'll say
Did you
that
remember this
word.
Bogdan character? And he.
Todd.
Dysfunction in the living room.
Hey, I'm good.
What's up with all this plastic?
Can you use your bathroom?
What about me?
You good.
Sure.
Zoom in on that guy's face.
11? It was just
He's taking the shoes off.